As existing operational methods face challenges in meeting the modern demands of the marine industry, an intelligent, capable, and powerful solution is needed to forge ahead. This is FIFISH E-GO, the next generation underwater operational robot by QYSEA. Undergoing a complete physical transformation, FIFISH E-GO features an all-new hammerhead shark design and build. The E-GO utilizes fluid mechanics for efficient movement against currents, providing full protection for its motors and forks. Experience enhanced performance and power with FIFISH E-GO's ring wing motors, with a crafted set of propeller blades made with anodized aluminum alloy that delivers a 30% performance boost and 50% increase in kinetic energy efficiency. Under turbulent environments, the E-GO maneuvers effortlessly and swiftly to reach its targeted positions. FIFISH E-GO's groundbreaking 176-degree above water and 146-degree underwater field of view delivers operators an ultra-wide and comprehensive visual perspective. With a macro focus range of 10 centimeters, FIFISH E-GO achieves maximum proximity to targets, delivering a clear field of view across a range of underwater environments. FIFISH's AI Vision Station Lock feature accurately identifies target objects, adapts to counter currents, allowing users to stay focused on the task at hand. FIFISH E-GO is equipped with 4 series connected LED lights, delivering up to 10,000 lumens and a illumination range of 160 degrees. The E-GO delivers omnidirectional maneuverability and precise underwater hovering, enabling the robot to operate with utmost flexibility under various conditions. In emergency rescue situations, during critical moments of action, the modular design of the E-GO significantly reduces assembly and disassembly times. FIFISH E-GO's dual QIF accessory ports allows for the concurrent use of up to 6 add-on tools, minimizing replacement times and enhancing operational capabilities. FIFISH E-GO's dual power supply system significantly enhances the endurance and durability of the underwater robot. The E-GO's hot swappable supply enables instant replacement of power, minimizing prolonged interruptions on essential dives. The FIFISH Q Energy Station fast charges the E-GO's dual power supplies to 90% within 50 minutes. FIFISH E-GO is equipped with a built-in micro SD card slot for easy and quick transfer of underwater operational images and films, as well as detection and monitoring of potential leakages. FIFISH E-GO supports the expansion and simultaneous use of multiple accessories, enabling more efficient, precise, and secure operations to meet the diverse requirements of the marine industry. The FIFISH E-GO underwater robot, with its powerful performance, modular design, and expandable capabilities, ushers in a new era of intelligent underwater operations. FIFISH E-GO. Easy go. Just dive.